Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. You'd be surprised how many electronic items are tossed each year. There's so much purchasing going on here in the United States and probably other developed countries, and we see a lot of stuff getting dumped into the garbage each year. Some of that stuff that we throw away could be reused. And in this video, I'm going to show you how we can utilize some computer equipment that was tossed to make a very nice gaming PC. Ready? Let's go. So, of the several discarded PCs that I got my hands on, there was this one, the HP Envy 740. And I simply could not believe that I had gotten hold of this PC. Apparently the previous owners didn't realize what the real problems were with this PC. For one, I realized that the memory that they had added, the timing was mismatched with the original memory. So I guess they were having blue screen problems. And another problem is that the hard drive had died. The hard drive was having problems. So they got frustrated, tossed the PC, and it worked out for me. It came with a nice AMD quad-core processor. I went on eBay. I was able to get some memory to upgrade it from 8 gigs to 32 gigabytes of RAM. So that worked out very nice. And the other thing I had to do was get a front panel for the computer. I got a nice front panel, USB 3.0 and headphone jacks, microphone jacks, all the good stuff that you're going to need, memory card reader. And I got that for a decent price off Amazon. And the only thing missing now was a nice video card. So I went on OfferUp and I found this nice video card. It's an EVGA video card, GTX 960, 4 gigabytes. Now, I really wanted to put the EVGA video card, the GeoForce, inside this PC that I was building. But unfortunately, because of the wiring available, it was just wasn't going to work out. So what I ended up doing is that I took this EVGA, put it in my personal gaming computer, and then I had a Radeon video card that was in the RX 960 4 gigabyte that was originally in my gaming computer. I put it into this new build. So that's how I was able to put this PC together. As far as the GTX 960 4 gigabytes, the person on OfferUp was selling it for $120, but I was able to trade. I gave them one of the PCs I had put together from discarded parts, and then I gave them an extra $50. So I guess you could say I spent $50 getting that video card. So all in all, I was able to put this machine together. If you count the cost of the spray paint and all the few parts I had to buy, I basically spent just over $170, around about $170 to put this PC together. But I can tell you it's a massive PC. When I did the tests, I was getting at sometimes 90 frames per second, and the temperature was just around 72 degrees Celsius. So it was a good deal all around, and it just shows that, with a little ingenuity, you can get discarded parts for free and, spend a few dollars here and put together a decent gaming PC. I'm very happy with this. As far as hard drive, I used a 2 terabyte hard drive that I got from another discarded PC that had issues, and I guess they just didn't, bother to take out the hard drive. So shop around and OfferUp, Letgo, eBay, whatever, especially garage sales, whatever, and you'll find that people are tossing out old computers that have really good solid parts, and you could put together a gaming PC for a little or no cash. Now, do you want to make some money? Click on the link below in the description to go to my website. Giving away a Mavic 2 Pro drone or the equivalent in cash. That is an offer that I'm sure you don't want to overlook. So feel free, visit the website, find out how you can win that Mavic 2 Pro or the equivalent in cash. Thanks.